Alright, so let's run this. Now let's just type some text here. Now we already verified that a file menu works correctly, so let's just do the formatting. So currently, our default is a regular font and a small size. I'll go to Format and click Bold. And now everything in the text box is bolded. Now, a program doesn't work for selection. Currently, everything in the text box is gonna be the same style. But we are going to be improving this text editor a little later and adding features to it. But for now, this is a simple text editor. So again, everything in the text box is gonna be affected by what is selected from the menu. So our text is bold, but I'm going to click italic. So now it's bold and italic. When I go to Format, you can see both of these are checked. If I click underline, you can see it's underlined now, and all three of these are checked. So now let's uncheck underline, so it's no longer underlined, and I'm going to uncheck bold, and this is only italic now. So now let's play with the size. I'm going to select size that is medium instead of small, and everything is now bigger. When I go to size and large, everything is yet bigger. And I can of course combine it. I can make it bold and large font, or bold and medium font, so our formatting works correctly. Alright, so this is the simple text editor that we created. Again, it's very simple, only works for the whole text box. There is no selection option available to us yet. But we got to work with the toolstrip menu item. We got to work with some events for the clicks in the menu. We captured the text property of the selected item in the menu and determined how to set up the font by creating a new object of the font and setting the style as well as the size of the font that is being selected from the menu. So I hope you learned a few more tricks, and I will see you in the next video.